Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So I'm not sure if I mentioned I've got a track day booked in a month. So thought I'd give it an oil change and a gearbox fluid change and a reteach. And I'm going to show you the stuff we use. Get the thing off. So that's why we like taking it off. We got the mitsubishi twin V cooler. And we got the SSP transmission cooler. Looks a bit cobwebby there as well. I'll sort that out over there. So nice and easy to do. That's the oil drain plug and the oil temp sensor plug that I might actually do a bit later on for another video. Got the MAPerformance deep pan. So don't forget to clean your bowl before you put it underneath, and then you can check what debris comes out, see if the oil is any good or not. Who's only good at this without getting oil on their finger? Not much that come out then. I thought it'd be a bit more. So this is the stuff we use. We've got the HKS magnet oil filter. I'm going to try that for the first time, see what it's like. Hopefully it'll be good. 2 magnets within the system. I've got enough spark plugs to do 2. HKS again. I've got the Titan Race Pro Sport 1050. As we've got a lot of coolers, we're going to have quite a bit of fluid. So before I put this on, I want to check out the size difference. How much smaller the HKS one is to the standard. A little bit smaller. And you also get a sticker. So, focus. So you can put the date and mileage on. So, don't forget to fill up the filter with oil first. Try and get this on camera. Bubbling down, or maybe just the right amount. Let's put a bit over the seal actually, as with that. So, don't forget to clean your little plug before you put it back in, of course. And your new little washer. little extra protection. We're going to put 7 litres in for now, start her up and see what it looks like. It's too hot, so put some shade up. That's better. Let's get some shade up. Not too bad. So there's the HKS ones that we're putting back in. You'll see they're the same. Cylinder free. We will give him a torque down after. Right, so we torque the spark plugs to 18 kilonewtons or 13 foot-pounds. So and the coil pack is, what's that? 10 kilonewtons. Or snug if you can't be bothered. A little bit over. Right, now we've done the oil change, let's reset the maintenance light. Nice and easy. So as you can see, there's the maintenance light there. So nice and easy. Turn the ignition back off and then flick it one and then press the information button until the spanner comes on and then hold. And as it flashes, press it again. It clears. And then you've got 5 months,